Having a gun in hand or concealed under one's clothes makes up for a lot of fake courage, which has time and time again been found factual and true in the real world. But throw in a badge of law enforcement and that false bravado is ratcheted or turbocharged many times, for much like this cop involved in the latest road rage incident that has led to his dismissal from the force. Our Patrick De Jesus narrates the full story.
This video captured a confrontation between two motorcycle riders past 2 p.m. last Monday in Punta Santa Ana, Manila. The rider, wearing a white hoodie jacket on a yellow motorcycle, got off and turned out to be a police officer. He drew a firearm and approached the motorcycle taxi rider he was arguing with. The police officer pulled on the motorcycle taxi rider's helmet and repeated the action multiple times while still holding a gun. The said police officer has surrendered to the Manila Police District and turned over his firearm. He holds the rank of sergeant and is assigned to the District Intelligence Division. He is now under restrictive custody. According to the MPD, the cop was securing a polling center as part of covert security operations for the elections. Allegedly, the motorcycle taxi rider was in a hurry to cut through traffic and even knocked on the police officer's motorcycle top box.
Pero sabi po ng police, hindi siya makakausod kasi meron pong truck sa harapan niya. Ganun pa rin po, pinipilit po siyang pausodin at pinagsasalita po siya ng hindi maganda.
The motorcycle taxi rider allegedly continued with such actions, leading to a heated argument. This prompted two more police officers to approach, as seen towards the end of the video. MPD emphasized that the police officers' response was still inappropriate, especially since they are expected to maintain maximum tolerance.
Bilang alagad po ng batas, dapat mahaba po talaga yung PC natin pagdating po dito.
The incident has already reached PNP Chief Police General Romel Marbil, who was ordered an immediate investigation.
Ang words po na ginabi ni Chief PNP pagka mga ganito pong klase mga insidente, let us not sugarcoat anymore yung mga pagkakamali ng mga pulis natin.
The said law enforcer has been charged administratively with grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. It remains to be seen if the motorcycle taxi rider will pursue a grave threat complaint against the cop. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.